Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to go back to my main Discord server that I have set up for this channel, and I'm going to show you how to set up a private channel. So you can set up a private channel for pretty much anything. I've got a bunch of them just kind of tossed down here under private stuff and recording. These are like outdated channels that no longer get used, or just there for in case you need it, sort of a deal. But you can set up a private channel pretty much anywhere, even in your general stuffs channel category here. I can create a new channel. I can say I want to create a regular text channel, and I can say I want this to be a private channel. I can call this my super secret channel. And I can be like, oh, cool, and I want only certain people in this big list of roles that I should probably trim some point. And I want this to be just for server boosters to be able to have a private chat with me because they were nice enough to boost the server. But I also want to make sure that the moderators can see this, so the monster moderators can see this and the helpers can see this. And then I can create this channel. And now only the people who are listed here can see it, which also includes some of the bots on the server because bots oftentimes have admin permissions. And that's not necessarily a bad thing. They're not going to really interfere at all. But I can see this channel. The admins can see this channel because admins have almost the exact same permissions as server owners. The monster moderators can see this, the helpers, and also the server boosters. And now we can all have a secret, quiet communication chat, and only the people that you can see in the sidebar here will be able to see any of the truth. Well, I say that like it's some sort of secret conspiracy, but it's nice to reward people with their own private chats because it makes them feel important. It lets them know that they are an important member of your community because you have taken the time to create a little private chat where they can get your attention easier and all that good stuff. And then if you don't want it anymore, you can just right-click it, delete channel, and confirm it, and boom, it's gone, like it was never there in the first place. So that's how you create a private channel. It works basically the same way. Like I can make a voice channel that's also private. Same rules apply, especially because they also have text channels attached to them now, which can be confusing to some people. It works the same way. We can call this the Crab Rangoon Hangout. Hit enter, and then it'll ask me who I want to have in that. It should, anyway, ask me who I want to have. I wanted to make that a private channel. Let's make it again. Voice, make that private. Call that Crab Rangoon Hangout. Next. And then, okay, so because I hit enter, it just made it. But if I go through and make it private manually, then hit next, then I can assign people to be able to see it. And we'll say for the sake of consistency that this is also a private server booster voice chat channel, if you wanted it to be. Now, only certain people can see this, and that's denoted with this little hidden lock icon here at the top. That's how you know you have access to that, but other people might not. And when you hover over it, it'll say that there's limited access to it, either for a text channel or a voice channel. And you can make almost any type of channel you want be a hidden channel or a private channel. Because you can, if you've set this up to be a community server, you have access to forums, announcement channels, and stage channels. Oh, and I suppose as an addendum to the secret channel thing is how do you edit the channel to add more people? That really just goes underneath of the private channel here. If you go to permissions and you edit it, there's some private channel info here at the top. You can add different roles or different people specifically to this channel. Like you can say like, I want my admin NextG to specifically have admin access to this channel. And I also want YouTubers and streamers to see it. And then server boosters definitely. And then you can be like, done. And then those people will get added to the permissions list. If you don't want them to be on this list anymore, you can hit the X here next to their name and you can revoke that permission for an individual person or a role at any time. So yeah, that's how you edit, tweak, and create different private channels inside of your server. It's pretty easy to do. And until next time, I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.